Welcome, in front of me I have Cubot X20 and today I will show you how you can check battery capacity. At the first you have to open Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Ampere. We are going to get this application from Braintrap. Right now let's open. Click yes, agree, tap close, and then tap on the left bottom corner on the OK. And as you can see here, we can find the maximum capacity of our battery, and also we can check out the data. And when you swipe on the right, you can find here other stuff. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.